Alright, welcome everyone. I hope you guys are enjoying these little quick tips. My coloring schedule is a little insane right now, and so I'm trying to put out what I can when I can. So anyway, here's another one. I call this sort of a inverse rendering or negative rendering or whatever you want to call it. So if I've got a situation where something's going to be more shadow than light, like these two figures here are going to mostly be silhouetted against the background. So on my layer for the shadows, I'll do a quick fill with the color that I want there, and then put a mask on that layer. From there I can switch over to the mask, and I'm basically just removing the shadow and revealing the base colors that were underneath. And of course, because it's on a separate layer, I can come in and make adjustments to darken that, or lighten that, or saturate that after the fact. And here's a little bonus rendering using the trick that I showed you guys last month using a levels adjustment. So enjoy. Thank you for watching. As always, please check the links in the description. Got a discount on my courses down there, step by step, that are full of tricks just like this. So I hope you'll check it out. Keep this channel rolling, and I'll see you guys in the next one.